Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best car essentials is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of vehicle ownership, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. From emergency kits to phone mounts, the right gear can transform your driving experience from stressful to smooth. In this video, we're diving into the must-have car essentials that every driver should consider, ensuring you're prepared for anything the road throws your way. Number 5. HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid and storage. This car trash bag features an adjustable strap, so it can be attached anywhere for easy access. The collapsible design adds to the convenience of this auto trash container. Inside, there are 4 magnetic snaps to secure the trash bag. Replacing the bag is simple: unsnap, replace, and snap shut. It's that easy. The garbage can is made with waterproof and leak-proof material, making it easy to clean. You won't have to worry about spills or stains. This carbon can also be used as a storage bag for cups, toys, and other accessories. The waterproof feature makes it a great car cooler too. It's a great solution for a neat car interior. It fits perfectly in sedans, SUVs, and trucks. HOTOR has considered every possibility. What we like. This car trash can is designed to be completely leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about spills. It also features an adjustable strap, making it easy to place anywhere in your car. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile way to keep your car clean and organized, you should consider this. What people say. The organizer fits perfectly in my car and keeps everything tidy. The design is sleek and modern, and it blends well with the car's interior. The multiple compartments are very useful for storing different items. Number 4. Febreze Unstoppables Fresh Scent Vent Clip, 3-pack. Tired of stale car air? This is the perfect solution. It's designed to keep your car smelling fresh and clean. Enjoy the invigorating Unstoppables fresh scent. It will transform your car's interior into a welcoming space. Activating it is simple. Just clip it to your car vent and let it work its magic. The vent clip design ensures consistent fragrance release. It's a convenient way to keep your car smelling great. This pack includes 3 car air fresheners. You'll have plenty to keep your car fresh for a long time. What we like. This car air freshener is incredibly easy to use, just clip it to your vent and enjoy the fresh scent. It's designed to keep your car smelling great without any hassle. If you like a simple and effective way to freshen up your car, you should consider this. What people say. The organizer fits perfectly in my car and keeps everything tidy. The multiple compartments are great for storing different items. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 3. YGMONER Cute Swinging Duck Car Ornament. This adorable duck pendant is more than just decoration, it's a statement. It reflects the owner's personality and adds a touch of fun to any car interior. Watch as the duck gently swings back and forth while you drive. It's a delightful visual that brings a smile to your face, making every journey more enjoyable. This cute duck is perfect for decorating your car or home. Its stylish design adds a touch of charm, making it a wonderful gift for anyone. Designed to hang from your car's rearview mirror, it's a beautiful ornament. It's also suitable for decorating your home, adding a touch of whimsy wherever it goes. The small and exquisite design won't obstruct your view. Made of high-quality gypsum plaster, it's designed to eliminate visual fatigue and enhance driving safety. What we like. This adorable duck pendant adds a touch of personality to your car's interior. The swinging design is fun and unique, and it harmonizes well with any car decor. If you like to add a little fun and charm to your car, you should consider this. What people say. The swinging duck design adds a touch of playfulness to any car interior, making it a charming and eye-catching accessory. The YGMONER Swinging Duck Car Mirror Ornament is not only cute but also well-made and durable. It's the perfect size that doesn't get in the way of view. Surprisingly heavier than I thought, but that helps it rock back and forth. Number 2. First Secure Car Emergency Kit. This car emergency kit includes essential tools for unexpected situations. It's designed to provide you with the necessary equipment to handle roadside issues effectively. Unlike other kits, this one features durable tools built for lasting performance. The jumper cables and tow strap are made to withstand tough conditions, ensuring reliability when you need it most. This kit contains premium, essential tools, avoiding unnecessary items. It includes a tire repair kit, a tow rope, a window breaker, an air compressor, and jumper cables. This all-inclusive kit includes a roadside set and a first aid kit. It also features a warning triangle, air compressor, headlamp, tire pressure gauge, bungee cords, and work gloves. This is ideal for road trippers, commuters, and new drivers. It's a vital travel companion that ensures safety and protection on the road, making it a thoughtful gift. At First Secure, your safety is our top priority. We pride ourselves on premium quality products and outstanding customer service. We are committed to providing you with the best. What we like. This emergency kit is packed with durable tools designed to last. It includes all the essential items you need in a roadside emergency. If you are a road tripper or a new driver, you should consider this, because it's a great way to stay safe on the road. What people say. The organizer fits perfectly in my car and keeps everything tidy. The multiple compartments are great for storing different items. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 1. Vetoos Car Roadside Emergency Kit. This kit is packed with essential supplies to keep you safe during a roadside emergency. It includes jumper cables, a reflective triangle, and a tow rope. With this kit, you'll be ready for almost anything the road throws your way. This kit includes rarely used but essential items like a safety hammer, emergency blanket, and survival whistle. These items can be crucial in unexpected situations. With these, you'll be prepared for almost everything. The jumper cable clamps are fully covered with premium PVC material to protect you from electrical shocks. The 4 giant alligator clamps have strong jagged teeth for an excellent grip. The 6-gauge thick inner core makes it reliable even in cold weather. This 16.5-inch shovel is portable and comes with a carrying pouch. Its versatile design allows for shoveling, digging, hoeing, sawing, and chopping. It's the perfect tool to get you out of any tight situation. This handy kit contains all the necessary tools for emergency vehicle repairs and basic DIY projects. It includes a hammer, wrench, plier, tape measure, and more. Each tool is neatly organized in a handy case for easy storage. What we like. This roadside kit provides essential resources, including reliable jumper cables and a foldable shovel. The jumper cables are designed with safety in mind. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit to handle various roadside emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. The organizer is great for keeping the car tidy. It fits perfectly in my car and has plenty of storage space. The design is well thought out, with various compartments for different items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.